Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Funtainment with Gaurav. So today we are going to do a science experiment on miscibility of water and oil. So as you all guys know that water doesn't mix with oil. So I will try this once. If we will mix with spoon also, the water layer is separated from the oil layer. Now this is obvious thing that the water will be separated from oil. Now we will mix oil with the water and now we will add the magic, the surfactant. So if you don't have surfactant, you can use dishwash also, simple liquid dishwash. So I am using that only. So now we will try this. So now you can see another color liquid is being formed, muddy liquid is being formed after adding the surfactant. We cannot see the layer separated. So this is because the surfactant becomes the bridge between water and the oil. So the water and oil meets together and then mixes together. So hope you all enjoy the video, and this is a very easy experiment. You can try it in your home also. So hope you all enjoy the video. Please like and share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.